Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. We got a thingy today. I think, well, I don't know what it's off. Either looks like a garage lock, or it could be off some type of locker or something. Let's see, it does work. It also reminds me of something like a motorhome would have, you know, like a locker on cubbyhole on the outside. So it also reminds me of. It says DB on the front. There's the bitting. There's only 4 pins. I got this off Black Dolphin 90. Please check out his channel. It's a great lad. Some nice videos. I've never picked one of these. I've never had one of these, so it'll be interesting. Before we start though, if you're new to this channel and you're interested in lock picking and anything of that type of thing, you know, subscribe. It's down there. Click that bell icon. I do at least 2 to 3 videos per week, either making challenge locks, making pins, picking locks, reviews, all that things of that description. And if you look at my my YouTube channel, where it shows you about my channel, there's a big list of lock pickers out there you can check out if you're new to this, and great bunch of lads, absolute great videos, great pickers. Please check them out. Also, for T&J's lockpicking node, this is practically ready now, lads. Just finding a little notebook to put inside. Pickbeard gave me the idea of putting like a mini passport in it, because it's obviously an international challenge lock. I don't know if I've already said, but I'll just let you know anyway. Also, this is going to T&J's lockpicking node. This is especially made for them too. I hope they enjoy this one. I'll let them leave them a note as well when I send this along, because the key pins are all brass. The driver pins are non-metal, not metal whatsoever. They're completely made out of something different. I'm not saying, because I can't wait to see them open this. You just got to be really, really gentle with the tension, because the pins are brittle. That are in the driver pins can be brittle, but hopefully I'll see him open this and have some fun. Key for it there and everything. It's called the wooden top. Right, let's have a crack at this lock. At first, when I first saw this, I thought it might have been a wafer lock, but it's not. It's pin. So I'm going to use. No, I'm not. That's what them pins. Them pins are really tall, really at the top. So I'll use a deep hook, and I'm going to use a tension wrench. Top of the keyway one. This is, if you are interested, this is an old Allen key that I grinded down both sides till I got the right size that I wanted. I did 2 different versions of this, and then I plastic dipped the handles just to give them a little bit more of a comfort. So I'm going to use top of the keyway. At least I don't have to adjust the camera down on this one this time. Oh, and using the deep hook that I got from Trekmaster 30. Beautiful handmade, homebrew. Lovely handles. Very nice work. If you're not Trekmaster, most people know Trekmaster, but if you don't, please check out his channel. It's Trekmaster 30. Great guy. Let's have a go. Give me 1 second, because this I've just realised this lock only opens one way. No, that's right, that's right. It opens anti-clockwise, it doesn't open clockwise whatsoever. Double checking. Yeah, look, click off 1 and 2. A very tall keyway inside here. I'll just go for a reset. Because there we go. There we go. We've got it open. Now I know it goes all the way around. I think keep your finger, there we go. And there we are. We're open. It's quite interesting, like that. It's definitely it's brand new, that. I don't think it's actually ever been placed on anything. As you can see, locked and unlocked. Also, I'm going to have a quick try at this while I'm here. This is a work zone. No, it's not work zone. It's a zone hardened padlock with a non-removable core. Now I know that pin there is holding this core in, because when I whip that, I know both of them move. So I'm going to remove that at some point and take this core out. See if we can make it more interesting. It's a nice weighty padlock. I think which way I'm going to pick this. I'll use a different one. I can't use that one. It's too deep. So look, there we go. Use a small hook. Oh, I think that's wrong. There we go. Sorry about that, I can't see properly. A couple of clicks then. Oh, there we go, we're open. Definitely need to remove this, get that core out, and turn this to a challenge padlock, because it is, like I say, it even feels nice. Yeah, actually I like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. 2 locks picked in one video for once, which very rarely ever happens. But thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.